morning to my dear students of class 6th. Welcome to another class of English grammar. Today I am going to teach chapter number 26 titled Punctuation and Capital Letters. It is a very important chapter of English grammar. So what is capitalization? Capitalization is writing a word with its first letter as a capital letter, uppercase letter, and the remaining letters in lowercase, that is small letters. For example, he is going to the market. As you can see in the sentence, the letter H is in capital. Where do we use capital letters? Let us learn the rules. We use capital letters in the beginning of sentence. That is, the first letter must be in capital. We also use capital letter for the proper nouns. When we are using proper nouns, the first letter of that proper noun will be in capital. Here you can see in the example, after school, Mary goes home and starts her homework. Mary lives in Nexer. So here first letter A of after will be in capital because it is the beginning word of the sentence. Then you can see the name of the proper person, that is Mary, and we will write in the capital. And Nexer is the name of the proper place, so N will be in capital letter. Now till now I have told you about the capitalization rules, that is number 1. Always capitalize the first letter in a sentence. Number 2, always capitalize names and proper nouns. Now number 3 rule, always capitalize days, months and holidays. Now we'll learn through examples. You can see in the example, he went to the library on Tuesday. Here H is in capital because he is the beginning word of the sentence, so H in capital, and Tuesday T will be capital, as always capitalize days, months and holidays. You can see in the next example, I love when it snows in January. Here the first word is I, so I will be in capital. As I is by itself, it always capitalize. And now we can see January, J is in capital. Why? Because always capitalize days, months and holidays. Here's one more example for you, my dear children. We keep a tree in our house for Christmas. Here W of V is in capital because it is the beginning word of the sentence. And Christmas C, as we know, always capitalize days, months and holidays. So far we have learnt always capitalize the first letter in a sentence. Second, always capitalize names and proper nouns. Number 3, always capitalize days, months and holidays. Now the fourth rule, always capitalize titles like Doctor, Mr., Mrs. and Miss. Now here's an example for you, that is, last Friday I went to Dr. Jones for a checkup. Here L is in capital because it is the beginning word of the sentence. Then Friday F, as it is a day. And I is capitalized because I is all by itself. Dr. D is in capital as we always capitalize titles like Doctor, Mrs., Mr. or Miss. And here you can see Jones, J is capital as it is the name of a person. Next rule for capitalization is we are using for titles of literary works, novels and films. So students, whenever we are referring to any famous poet, poem, so that time we have to write in capital letter. Let's clear this with the help of an example. Gitanjali is a collection of poems by Rabindranath Tagore. So here we are talking about particular collection, that is Gitanjali. That's why we will write letter G in capital. And Rabindranath Tagore, as Rabindranath Tagore is a famous Bengali poet. So R and T will be in capital letter. Second example, have you read the novel of Shakespeare? Here the Shakespeare is a very famous personality. So S we will write in capital. Next rule, for names of festivals and important holidays. For example, Easter, Bihu and Holi are spring festivals. So whenever you will write, the first letter will be capital for the names of festivals. Second example, we celebrate Independence Day on 15 August. Here Independence Day is the name of the national festival. So I and D will be in capital and August is the name of the month. So we will write A in capital. Next rule, for names of countries, continents, states, regions, cities, towns and villages, we use capital letters. We will understand by the given examples. Number 1, New Delhi is the capital of India. Here New Delhi is the name of the city and India is the name of the country. So N, D and I we will write in capital. Second, the Malabar region is the area between the Western Ghats and the Arabian Sea. So here we will write Malabar, M will be capital, and Western Ghats W and G will be in capital. Arabian Sea A and S will be in capital. Through next example you can understand where we will capitalize the letters. The Indian Ocean is the third largest ocean of the world. So beginning letter T will be in capital. Indian I will be in capital. Ocean O will be in capital. And in the next example, a number of large rivers flow into the Bay of Bengal. So Bay B will be in capital and Bengal B will be in capital. So next rule of capitalization we are using for abbreviations. Abbreviations mean short forms. For example, ISRO. ISRO is the short form for Indian Space Research Organization, and WHO is the short form for World Health Organization. Next rule, that is last rule for the capitalization, is for the names of streets, buildings, museums and art galleries we use capital letter. Example, first one, I stay at 10 Cherry Blossom Street. So Cherry Blossom Street is the name of the street. So Cherry C, Blossom B and Street S will be in capital. In the second example, the Taj Mahal is one of the 7 wonders of the world. So Taj Mahal is the famous monument. So Taj T and Mahal M will be in capital. So this was the explanation of the rules of capitalization. I hope you have understood, my dear children, all the rules. This is my part 1 video, and in my next, that is part 2 video, I will explain you the punctuation marks. That is the right use of punctuation marks. So watch this part 1 video very attentively to understand the concept. So goodbye to all. God bless you all. Thank you.